we've been getting water from here from
Yes, sir.
before I was born.
Oh, yeah?
I'm 82 years old.
Wow. So you used to get water
We call
before
it
he was born.
We
He's
call
82
it
years old.
Indian Springs.
Oh, Indian Springs, right? Yeah.
They think the Indians.
Yeah. The Indians made this?
Yeah, we think so. About 5 months ago.
Okay. But I it is every time.
This is the water coming from the rock. It's so pure. This water is so pure. It's coming from the rock, guys. It's actually coming from the rock. This is where the water is coming from, that rock there. So see the pipe, and it's so pure, very pure. It's so cold though. This water is like block. It's so pure. Oh my god, it's so cold. So this is water coming from the rock. Guys, this water is life saving.